Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today is Thursday, April 25th, 2024. Number 1, while former President Donald Trump returns to a New York City courtroom where he is charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in connection with hush money payments, another set of attorneys will be in Washington, D.C. to make his case for presidential immunity before the United States Supreme Court. The nation's highest court will hear arguments surrounding the question, can a former president be prosecuted for crimes while in office? While judicial observers don't think the Supreme Court will give Donald Trump absolute immunity, one of two decisions is expected. Number 1, the president will be immune from legal action in foreign policy and national security matters, or the Supreme Court may remand or return that case to a lower court. Number 2, Dolton, Illinois Mayor Tiffany Henyard faces investigations by former Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot and the FBI for alleged misconduct and misappropriation of funds. Recent investigations reveal lavish spending, nepotism, and a budget deficit. Henyard's personal security cost $250,000 annually, and her credit card statements show extravagant trips and expenses. Trustee Brittany Norwood welcomes the FBI inquiry amid concerns about questionable spending and a lack of transparency. Number 3. On April 10th, the Daily Mail reported NBA veteran Nate Robinson admitted he doesn't have long to live if he can't get a kidney transplant. The 39-year-old former Knicks guard announced in October 2022 he'd been dealing with renal failure and had been undergoing treatment privately for 4 years. Read more about Nate Robinson in today's Health Update. Number 4. Brought to you by our partners, Black Voters Matter. Social justice contributor Coy Malone continues her series on the road to Election Day and what happens when an innocent woman is charged with election fraud. Crystal Mason cast a provisional ballot while on supervised release for federal tax evasion. The African-American woman was sentenced to 5 years in prison, but the Tarrant County, Texas Appeals Court recently overturned that conviction after determining there was no evidence she knew she was ineligible to vote, a condition necessary for conviction. Number 5, Mandisa. The successful Christian recording artist and former American Idol contestant passed away last week at the age of 47. Police are investigating her death, though she had previously battled depression. Mandisa openly shared her struggles with depression and weight gain after her best friend's death, and she released a memoir in 2022 detailing her trauma and mental health journey. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. For those of us who are true believers, know that God is in control, so we just let things play out. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with our mental health and wellness contributor, Aprilette Russell, as we discuss today's top headlines and more. I'm Sybil Wilkes. Be informed, be empowered.